shapes friends. Who am I? Circle. Who am I? Semicircle. Who am I? Oval. Who am I? Three sides, triangle. Who am I? Equal for sides, square. Who am I? Four sides, rectangle. Who am I? Five sides, pentagon. Who am I? Six sides, hexagon. Who am I? Seven sides, heptagon. Who am I? Eight sides, octagon. Who am I? Nine sides, nonagon. Who am I? 10 sides, decagon. Who am I? Has two opposite parallel sides, parallelogram. Who am I? All four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Rhombus. Who am I? Has four straight sides, with one pair of parallel sides. Trapezium. Bye-bye.